Hi everyone, this is Chef Andrew from Keto Fine Dining and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making the most delicious and juiciest pork shoulder steaks. And the secret in making the best pork shoulder steaks is not to overcook them and also to have a really good marinade that will start cooking and tenderizing the meat even before you put it on the grill. That is why it's so essential to have it marinate in the fridge overnight to give it time to absorb all the beautiful spices and juices that we're gonna use for this recipe and turn cheap cuts of meat into something absolutely spectacular. So let's get started. I have about 4 pounds of pork shoulder steaks, and for this amount I'm gonna mix all these ingredients in a large bowl so we can make the marinade. So I'll start with 4 medium thinly sliced onions, 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, half a cup of grapeseed oil, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 12 pressed garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of black pepper, half a cup of water, 2 tablespoons of oregano, half a cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons of pink Himalayan salt, and last but not the least, we're gonna add about 8 bay leaves to give it a nice fragrance, and then give it a good mix. It's already starting to smell absolutely incredible. For this next step, we're gonna layer the steaks with the marinade. For this, take a deep white bowl, add a couple of tablespoons of the marinade to the bottom, and then put the meat on top. After that, repeat the same process again. The next step is to press everything together as tight as possible so that the meat can absorb everything much better. Then cover with a plastic wrap, press it again with your hands and then refrigerate overnight. Before you put the meat on the barbecue, make sure you completely remove it from the onions. Otherwise, the onions might get burnt and make the meat taste bitter. Now cook the meat on both sides until the meat reaches about 145 degrees Fahrenheit, and then let it rest for about 3 minutes before serving. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If so, please hit the like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for more delicious keto recipes, and I'll see you very soon in the next episode. Bye!